Hello students, this is Subroto Ghosh. Now you will be learning the technique of calculation of first quartile. In short, we can say calculation of Q1. This calculation is based on the observation having continuous series. And so the formula for this calculation of quartile is something different from the discrete series, and the formula is this: Q equals to L1 plus n by 4 minus C into I by FQ1, and this formula is quite similar to the formula of calculation of median. In case of median, it is n by 2, but here it is n by 4, and in the case of median it was Fm, but it is FQ1, but all other terms have specific interpretation. Now we will see the interpretation of each and every term used in the formula. This is the formula: Q1 equals to L1 plus n by 4 minus C into I FQ1. This L1 represents lower limit of first quartile class. First quartile means Q1, and n is usual meaning sum of total observation or sum of frequency. FQ1 is the frequency of the Q1 class, means first quartile class. C is the cumulative frequency before Q1 class, and I equals to size of the Q1 class or first quartile class. Okay, this is the interpretation of the term used in the formula. Okay, now we will apply this formula for solving a problem and the problem is this: find the value of Q1 means first quartile of this continuous series. Okay, so you see, class interval is a continuous series. If it is not continuous, you make it a continuous by converting the class interval into class boundary, as we have seen in the case of calculating the median. This is the formula. This is the problem. Okay, now to solve this problem we have to make a table. In this way you have to make the table. Okay, calculation of Q1 or first quartile. In the extreme left corner represents the class interval. As it is continuous, that is why I have kept it, I have not changed anything. This is the frequency. Okay. Now what we will do, we will find the cumulative frequency. It is 12, 12 plus 18, 30, 30 plus 60, 16 is 46, 46 plus 14, 60, 60 plus 12, 72, 72 plus 8, 80, and 80 plus 6 equals to 86. It means 86 is the total observation, or it is the sum of frequency. Okay, this is the table. In this way you have to make the table. Now we will calculate the first quartile. First quartile means first 1/4 observation. Here what is the total observation? Total number of observation is 86. So first quartile will lie where? In the first quartile will lie in the interval where n by 4 will fall. That is why we will calculate the n by 4. Okay. Okay, it is what? It is 86. So n by 4 will be what? 86 by 4 equals to what? It is 21.5. This is n by 4. Okay. So we will check where this 21.5 lies. We have to check it from the cumulative frequency column. 12 here, 21.5 does not lie. 30 here, 21.5 lies. It means in 30 21.5 is there. So it means this is the first quartile class. This 35 to 40 is the first quartile class, and this is the frequency of the first quartile class. Okay, 18 is the first quartile class. It means the lower boundary is 35. Okay, and frequency of the quartile class is 18, and total number of observation is 86. Okay, and cumulative frequency before the quartile class is 30. Before that it is 12. It means C equals to 12. Cumulative frequency before quartile class. And size means gap of this interval, upper interval and lower interval. 40 minus 35 equals to 5. Okay, now okay, this is so L1 equals to 35, N equals to 86. First quartile class FQ1 is 18, and cumulative frequency before Q1 class was what? 12 was 12, and size of the frequency class was 5. Okay, L1 is 35, and total observation is this is this, and cumulative frequency before Q1 class is 12, it is 12. Okay, and size 40 minus 35 is 5. Now we will put this value in the formula, and the form okay, now this is the formula: L1 plus n by 4 minus c into I by FQ one. Okay, now what was n by 4? N was 86. 86 by 4, 21.5. So first quarter class lies in the group of 30 to 40. L1 is 35. N by 4 is n by 4, 21.5. C was what? C was 12. I is 5. FQ1 was 18. It is 9.5 into 5 by 18. Calculating this, you will get it is 0.53 into 5. By multiplying this 0.53 into 5 is 2.65. So then Q1 is first quartile class is 35 plus 2.65 equals to 37.65. This is the first quartile. In this way we can calculate the first quartile. Hope you enjoyed the class. Next class would be on calculation of third quartile or calculation of Q3. Till then, thank you.